Hello guys, today I will repair an electric fan due to not functioning. Makikita nyo mamaya, ipapakita ko kung paano pag-repair ng electric fan. Okay guys, ito yung i-repair ko ng electric fan. Meron ako dito ng electric fan at this is not functioning. We will see that this is not functioning. I will repair this. This is the plug. I will plug it if there is a power or not. Then we'll check. We'll turn on the electric fan. 0, 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, there is no power output in the electric fan. We will repair this soon, and I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, this is our multi-tester. As you can see, we will set this to 10 times 10. Then we will adjust if it is. We will calibrate the multi-tester. Then we'll put it onto 0 so that it will be calibrated. Okay, that is already calibrated. Then we test we will test the terminal of the electric fan if it has a short or an open circuit. It seems that the multi-tester is not working. Then we adjust it little by little. Then I think this electric fan is already open. Then we'll check first the wiring of the electric fan before going to the removal of the upper part. Then after we check, then we will verify if it is okay or not. Then let's do this. Okay, we will open this at the bottom because the wire is going in here. We will deattach this space so that we can see if the wiring of this is with a continuous connection. First, my advice to you is to use a magnet. What is the purpose of this magnet? This magnet is used so that the screws you have been removed to the equipment or to this stand fan. You should put it in a magnet so that it will not be lost and stuck in it. Okay, hindi siya mawawala. Ito na lost. Okay. The lower base is already removed. There is only snapping clip here. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, as you can see, we can see the buttons for the number 1, 0, 2, 3. We will test if this is functioning. The switch is good. There is nothing else to repair with this. Now we will put back. Okay, our first thing to do is remove the blade guard. First is we should remove this. This one is will let your electric fan swing. Okay, let's remove this. That's it. Then let us remove this. Wow. I think the screw is screwed up. Yeah. Maybe this is good because it is already very unlikely not good. The screw with the thread is not good. You see that? Okay, because of this. We will take a look at the fuse here. If the fuse is not functioning, then the problem this is the fuse is burned out. I will find where is the fuse. I think it is here. The fuse is in here somewhere, because the fuse is it is a thermal fuse that will let the if the temperature is very high, then this will shut off because of the fuse. There is a 4 screws here attaching the stator and the rotor. As you can see, as I remove the screws, I am putting it all together to my magnet so that it will not lose. If I'll tap it away, it will not go beyond my reach, so that I cannot find it anywhere here in the room. This is a good practice when you are doing components repair or anything else. Alright, this is the stator and the rotor. The rotor is the rotating part of the electric fan. The stator is here. Then okay, there we go. We will find the thermal fuse in here so that we can do a repair to this thermal fuse. I think the thermal fuse is in here. So you can see the thermal fuse is in here. Yeah, there it is. This is the thermal fuse. We will test if it has a continuity, so that if there is not, we'll replace it and try to function, to try to switch on and let it function. Okay. I think it is not the thermal fuse that I am looking for. I'll find somewhere else here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, alright. I think that there is nothing. There is no problem. There's no problem with here. The function is the problem that I get is it might be in here, and there is 2 wires that is all cut. Well, test if it will function. Okay, I see that that the wiring of this electric fan is already damaged in here. The connection, we will test if the electric fan is good or not, because this disengaged with the connections. Then if it has a continuity, and if this has a continuity, then it will be served as a good stator winding. If it is not, we will find the fuse in here. We will find the fuse in here, so that this will not. Maybe the fuse is blown up. We will try this. Okay. Okay, guys. I will pin you up this multimeter so that you would see the multimeter you can see that the multimeter is functioning. If I test those windings, yan, okay. Now the problem with this is I'm going to look for the common wire. Which one is the common wire? I'll find the common wire. If it is that, this one, or this one, or if I use this as the common, this one, and this one, everything has the continuity. I think the white one is always been the white one is always been the common. Okay, we'll test. Okay, we will connect the motor to the winding motor of the electric fan. Hello guys, I am already finished doing shrinking the shrinkable tube. Then I'm going to put this back all together so that we will see if it is fully functional or not. Nothing is moving, and let's try if it is working. Okay guys, okay, let's first press the number 1 button. Oh, the fans functioning. Oh, it's so very strong. Number 2. Then I think it's almost the same. Number 3. Then it goes faster and faster with the number 3 button. Then I think number 2 is slow enough. I will check it. Okay, and there we go. Our electric fan is now functioning. I hope you like and enjoy the troubleshooting that I made. Just press the subscribe button and like my videos and ring the bell so that you will continue to have notification on my next videos. Thank you and goodbye. My hands are dirty. Thank you. Bye bye.